Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can create a signature in Microsoft Outlook. So I am showing this tutorial in Android device, so you have to install Microsoft Outlook Android apps. So you can download or you can install it from Play Store. Okay, then after getting this interface, we need to go here. You can see, click on it, and here you can see the left bottom corner settings icon. Click on it, and here you can see the signature option. Signature option. Click on it. Okay, so now you can create your signature here, or if you want to set your address, um, contact number, you can put here. Okay, so I just create some text here. You can see this is my channel name, and then click OK. Okay, this done. So go out this option and type something. Okay, then here you can see the signature, it is default. Okay, so it don't need to create your signature, so you can change it uh, from signature option. Okay friend, today is no more, and please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.